Hi guys, welcome back to my daddy's YouTube channel. My name is Miri Uwase and I'm from African Rwanda and I'm 13 years old. It's my first time being on YouTube and I'm so excited, guys. So this is my dad and this is my mom and that's my brother. He's using his phone, that's why he doesn't looking. And that's my other little brother and my other brother is sleeping right now. So guys, I'm excited. My mom and my dad are from Congo in Africa and I'm really glad to meet you guys, and I hope y'all subscribe to his channel already because I'm so excited to be here, guys, with you. And so like I say, my name's Yumiri Uwase and I'm from African Rwanda. And all my brothers are from Rwanda except only one brother, the little one. He's from here in America. And happy Christmas, everybody. As y'all can see, I'm ready for Christmas. I hope you have a great Christmas. And thank you for watching. Bye.
Hey, bye.
Bye.